Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and welcome to the Custom Mustang 32 Car Challenge. This is put on by the Facebook group. It's an offshoot of my page, Custom Diecast Renegades and Hoodlums. The whole point of this was to get 32 entries to compete against each other because challenges bring out the best in everybody. And there are people of all skill sets. Some you know, some you don't. Some are from YouTube, some are just on the group and just have an Instagram or a Facebook page or do it for fun. But this brings out the best in everybody and helps increases everybody's skill set. The winners of this challenge will get a beautifully mint or near mint K7 donated by Mr. K7 himself, William Robinson. All the vehicle entries. This is like a pink slip challenge, and I'm tossing in my Mustang that I built to help introduce this challenge about a month ago or so, if you guys watch the channel at all. So the bracket is set up the best way I could. With 32 cars, I broke it up. On the left side is odds, on the right side is evens, and as the cars came in, I numbered them sequentially. First car in, number 1. Last car in, number 32. This benefits those who entered early, because not all cars were received. People had to drop out for one reason or another, and those first few entries will get a pass. So remember, this is a challenge where nobody knows anything about who did what. All entrants are encouraged to promote voting, but are not allowed to say which is their car. Anybody who votes, who points out a specific name and the car number, that person will be disqualified. So as you can see, all the cars are there. There are 3 on one side, 4 on the other that did not make it in on time. Let's do the right side of the bracket. In this video, the left will be on another video right behind this one, so please check them both out. Number 2 is a 1967 Mustang GT. It's a pink rose color with a hint of metallic in it. It's got a black base, detailed trim, and it's sitting on rail riders. Number 4, this is a 1970 Mach 1. It's candy purple with a blue racing stripe. It has a antenna on it. It has a fully detailed body and chassis, and it's actually got rail riders with 5-spoke torque thrust rims on it and working headlights, which are powered by a button underneath the car. Number 6 is a 1965 Mustang Fastback, rear engine powered, 2-tone blue fade paint down the side with silver stripes and a center stripe pattern that's also silver. It's sitting on rail rider rubber, and it's got fabricated exhaust tips, and every aspect of this is heavily detailed. Number 8 is a tuned Mustang 68 Fastback, post-apocalyptic style, satin black 4x4 rail riders. It's got a skull wrecking ball and a pair of machine guns mounted to the hood. Number 10, 1965 Mustang, Spectraflame orange with gloss black racing stripes. It's rolling on some Dunlop raised white letter tires and 6-spoke chrome rims. They look to be monoblocks. And the trim is all detailed, including the hood pins. Number 24, 1965 Mustang convertible, 2-tone blue
both on the body and on the interior. It's got red line rail riders, big and littles. Number 12 is a 1992 Mustang. It's pearl white paint with candy cane decals. It's candy red rims on white rail riders, and the back tires have the candy cane accents on them as well. The trim and light details are all done, both front and rear. Number 22, 1967 Shelby GT500, platinum silver with black stripes, detailed trim and undercarriage, sitting on 12-spoke big and little rail riders. Number 14 is a 1970 Mustang Fastback. It's aluminum, deep red, and army green color scheme. It's got Air Force decals. This car is a tribute to the Tuskegee Airmen of World War II, the Red Tails, which flew the P-51D Mustangs. Number 20, 1965 Mustang Fastback, inspired by the Kato pony racers. I'm going to butcher this, Bozo Zuko style, mixed with that Japanese rusty barn find patina, blue and gold rims, insane rear wing, front spoiler, and intercooler. Number 16, 1965 Mustang Fastback. This is flat black with a red interior. The window net, rear spoiler, and hood scoop has roll bars, and it all makes it have that perfect feel to have kind of that road course look to it. Number 18, Mustang Stalker. This is a ground-up restoration. It's got the bright white paint with the original Mustang Stalker decals. It's sitting on big and little red line tires and rims. Everything is polished and clean. All right, guys, it is time to vote. All right, this will go to 12/3 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then all comments will be closed. Please vote down below only the cars that you want, maybe separated by a comma. That would work for me. Any other comments other than votes will be deleted just to make it simple for myself. I want to thank you guys for watching, and make sure you watch the other videos in this series and in this playlist. Thank you.